So my last video on Ripple actually showed you what you need to do to buy it, how you transfer all the good stuff. I did that on Maxi. If you're interested in that, I will have the video pinned to the top of the comments. But in the video, I asked you guys, did you want me to show you how to send it to my cold storage wallet? And a lot of people actually wanted to see it. Like, man, you didn't show us how to do it. It's very, very simple. It's not a hard process to do. That's what I'm going to do in this video. It's real simple. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Lando success, hope all is well. So I have some money in Maxi. I have $22 worth of Ripple. We're going to take this Ripple and we're going to send it over to my cold storage wallet. My cold storage I use is Arculus. I also have a video breaking down Arculus. I'm an affiliate member, get like $10 whenever somebody sign up for it. So with Arculus, you get this dope handy dandy card, which is sweet, and you go to your app. So I'm going to my app right here, and it's a login, and I take this and I put it on the back. Since I'm recording, it's acting crazy, but it did it. All right, so you see I have $26.96 in there, and let's see, of XRP I have $819 worth of XRP, 2,100 coins. I had those coins, that's the exact same ones I had when I did the original video. So all I'm doing is I actually screen share it so you can see some of it. All right, so I'm screen sharing right now. You see it say receive and send. I'm about to receive it, so I'm clicking that, and it say your XRP address. You are clicking copy. Remember, you clicking copy. So then you are going here and you are clicking withdraw because we're taking it out. I'm not going to show you all this code. The other code y'all can put some money in, but you really just clicking withdraw. It's going to ask you a bunch of stuff. Withdrawing your access, unload reliable platform, blah, blah. This, they let you know, yo, you don't want to lose no money. You better completely get it right. So they want me to copy that address right here. Since I did it from my phone, I'm going to probably just do this part from my phone, but I'm literally going to copy it and do it right there. I actually forget I can screen share it from my phone. So I'm sending it right here to this address, and it's a network XRP. Yep, we're going to confirm it is XRP. Don't have to put anything in memo. Withdraw amount, we're going to click all. We want all of this money. Now, disclaimer, people, always do a test of the minimum. If it's $10, $20, whatever it is, do a test first, because I get a comment every day somewhere on one of my channels. Somebody sent the stuff to the wrong IP address, and once you send it to the wrong wallet, it's a wrap. So take your time. Don't be texting anybody. Don't be yelling at no kids. Just take your time and do it the right way. I'm not about to do a sample right here because, you know, it ain't too hard to do. But here go the address I'm sending it to. Trade and pair XRP. Convert. Now they're going to ask for my handy dandy code they're about to send to my phone. Put that in. Then your Google Authenticator. If you don't know what that is, just y'all will be all right. Y'all will figure it out after a while. And let's see, what did I just do this with? MEX. So I'm gonna wait for this to turn back. Bam. And we're about to paste that. Confirm. Success. Money is gone. So now you see it say withdrawal request submitted. System is processing. Okay, it says it's frozen. It says available is 0 and frozen is all of it. And if we go to Arculus over here, we're going to see it pop up over here sooner or later. While we are waiting, I received a text message from Maxi saying, yo, we want to make sure we just seen you did the withdrawal. Want to make sure it's you and all that good stuff. When you are sending and receiving, double check, make sure you're doing it properly, make sure you're doing it correct. And the way my mindset and my game plan is, whenever I send something over to the cold storage wallet, I'm not about to touch that money for a while. So you don't want to send it over there and be trying to send it back whatever you send over there, plan to keep it over there for, let's say, 2 years. So no matter if the price go up or down, that's the money you're keeping over there. So mainly you want to have like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your ADA, whatever you like to hold and you're actually going to hold for 5, 10, 15 years. You want to leave it over there. Boom. And that quick is in there. Now you see my balance say 840 XRP, right? That's because that just literally happened. And you see it say received 810. So it only took probably 2 minutes. That full amount went there and we are good to go. So it's over there and now we are fully good to go. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments. If I don't answer quick, the people that know the answer them for me. Hit subscribe button and hit all that good stuff. I'm Lando, so I'll talk to you guys soon.